In this session, I'll just be showing you how to enable Hyper-V virtualization feature in Windows 10. So basically, Hyper-V is a virtualization feature that makes it possible to run virtualized computer systems on a physical host computer. So uh, this actually is used for Android emulators, virtual machine, guest OS, just to name a few. So in order for us to enable this feature in Windows 10, what we need to basically do is we need to right click on our start menu. Then we have here run. Then let's try to select, let's try to type control panel. Then just press OK or enter. Now, once we're already inside our control panel, let's try to click programs. Okay, so let's also try to select programs and features. Now we all have here turn on Windows feature on or off. Okay, let's try to click this time. Let's try to look for Hyper-V. Okay, so we have here Hyper-V. Make sure that there's a check mark. If we're going to expand, we have Hyper-V management tools. Okay. We also have Hyper-V platform. Then let's just try to click OK. So it will actually search for required files. And once it found the required files, it will start to apply the changes and will install Hyper-V or enable Hyper-V on our machine. So we also have the option to restart it now or don't restart. Windows need to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. Okay. So if you wanted to enable it right away, then you can just click restart now. Otherwise, you don't need to restart. So in my case, since I'm still doing something, I will just be clicking don't restart. So it will take effect after I restarted my machine. Okay, so I'm going to click don't restart. So as what I've said, it will be enabled after I restarted my machine. So that's how you would enable your Hyper-V virtualization feature in Windows 10.